play. The feature game. The game on the way. The feature game of the night on the way. The position is with Waterhouse inside the half. Looking for Reed. He finds Reed. Beautiful pass from Reed. Smith. Still Smith. Lovely. For what? Inside. And comes out to the number 15 shots. And straight to the goalkeeper.
But does well with that. And Arnett Gardens can come clear. Long ball aimed towards Shea Smith. Into the space. Controls it well. Cross across the box. Towards Fabian Reed. And we know he can turn them into the net, but unable to do so. Cleared in on top of things so far. But can they convert it into a bit more of some clean-cut chances as well as a goal? Here's Thomas out wide to Rashiki Kelson. Cross into the box. Oh! Aiming towards Jamon Shepherd, who was unable. He's come clear here. Finds Thomas in the little part. Gets it out wide. Waterhouse coming forward. It's Benbow. Lovely pass. Cross into the box. Thomas, can he hit it in? And that's saved in this game. But Thomas unable to really put the connection on it that he wanted. Oh, here's Reed. He has had to get in a foot race with the goalkeeper from Waterhouse, who does well there, showing off his fancy footwork. Reed unable to get the contact he wanted on that pass to Smith. Believe it hit his hand. But here's Berger. Kisses it out wide to Murray. Murray with the shot. And that is comfortably saved by Anthony Bennett in goal.
In fact, we're in the 31st minute of the game so far. Still no goals in this end. Oh, lovely turn from Thomas. Oh, middle of the park. This is skill. Nice to Murray. And looking for Thomas. And good defensive work on the part of.
Loses out to Amani Leacock. Berger back to Leacock, who's brought down. And this is a dangerous position to be giving away a free kick. And Waterhouse will be aiming to take advantage and capitalize on this chance here.
Free kick.
It could be Murray here. And he has the perfect angle. It would suit him.
Dangerous position as well.
And it is Murray.
Good save. And by the keeper. What we have seen so far, he has mastered the middle of the park. Campbell with ball for Waterhouse. Oh, lovely foot skill. Oh, lovely pass. Oh, just wide off the target. With an excellent build up here for Waterhouse. Hunting their first goal in this encounter.
Up to just recycle possession here, trying to find an opening in this Waterhouse defense that has been quite staunch so far after half an hour. But they could be open here. And Rashiki Kelson after a great pass from Thomas. Cross. Not good enough, however. Cross. Looking for Benbow. And Wizard gets that clear. Berger flicks it on for Leacock. And there's more.
Just over the crossbar. A poor return from Fabian Reed. Oh, not a bad effort from Reed.
And Kelson wins it back. Has Bowers. Shot from distance. Lets it fly, but sails over the bar.
Oh my word.
What
a beautiful skills. 45 minutes plus gone in this first half. Campbell with the free kick. Searching. And just wide off the top. In fact, just over the crossbar. And Murray with that header.
Really and definitely saw a couple of players really take it to Arnett Gardens.
A lovely ball. This on the right side of the park for Waterhouse. Nice touch to Bembo. Inside.
Tomori. And the header.
Waterhouse. Nice touch to Bembo. Inside.
Tomori. And the header saved comfortably by Anthony Bennett. Benbow, one of the players, as well as Omani. Leacock, and here's Tenardo Thomas with a shot over the bar. Just unable to beat his man there. Paul doing well with that there. He's had a great performance thus far at the back for Waterhouse, been rock solid. Now here's Amos, loses out in that challenge to Thomas, to Fabian Reed. And Roger Willie did move there, and he's let off the hook this time. But Thomas has it back again. The number 10 to Benbow. Looks for a shot. Hits Bowers and took all the conviction out of that shot. Davis with a cross into Murray. And I believe that took a touch off him. But it goes all the way through to Leacock. Leacock to Berger. Shots from distance. And that goes over. Henry and Thompson, the players coming on there in place of Jaheim Thomas. And it's Thompson, and his shot over the bar. That was his first real chance.
Away from that target.
And here he is again. Lovely pass in between to Kelson. Gordon set the lead. Shay Smith with his fourth goal. Gordon set the lead. Shay Smith with his fourth goal of the league season in the Jamaican Premier League. And ladies and gentlemen, we have liftoff here at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex as Arnett Gardens take. Gentlemen, we have liftoff here at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex as Arnett Gardens take. To Campbell, finds substitute, and I must say that's a poor decision there by the Campbell. He's been brilliant all night, but I have no idea what he was thinking taking that shot on there. It's Johnson to Mitchell. Oh, lovely skill. Showed his footwork in the warm-ups, and he's showing it here tonight on the pitch. And there's Davis, another substitute. Came on at the break, crossing to the box, looking for Murray. He's showed his aerial prowess already, so but outside of the foot pass to Shamari Dyer. Leacock uses his hands well to guard the ball. Great pass from Mitchell in the path of Davis on this right-hand side. Cross. Ooh, dealt well there by.
Well, based on how Mitchell is lining up himself, maybe it's just a trick as well. Maybe he's a left footer. He'll curl this into the far corner.
If Johnson were to take it, I would not be surprised. But Mitchell
straight
goes
to the keeper.
To the delight of the fans. There's Davis. Cross. Looking for Murray.
Oh,
by Davis.
A weak header. Oh, excellent.
Here at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex, Arnett Gardens moving back to 7th place on the table after Tivoli Gardens humbling defeat 3-2 to Malines earlier, and with a gaming hand they could even better